What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you the ultra simple way you can do to refresh your potting mix. The secret hint is to wait until after winter, so let your pots sit from the moment you pull out your plants in fall all the way till you pull them out. You're getting ready to do work in spring. The reason is because that will allow time for the roots, especially things like tomato plants and other heavy fibrous rooted plants, to start decomposing. Then all you have to do is take a stick or a small shovel, and all you have to do is break up the soil. Get rid of any big giant roots, and then all you have to do is take some nice soil conditioner like this. You can use peat moss, you can use coco coir, and just top it off your pots, because most likely your pots will sink down about 2 to 3 inches during the growing season. So top it off with a high quality compost potting mix, and then all you have to do is reincorporate that mix in. And if you want to, at this time, go ahead and add a little bit of bone meal. Not bone meal. Go ahead and add a little bit of blood meal at this time. This will allow the chance for the microorganisms in your pots to start breaking down that blood meal. And then once you go ahead and actually transplant your plants, whatever you're growing, flowers, fruits, tomatoes, vegetables, whatever it may be, then you can go ahead and add the rest of your amendments. But it takes a while for blood meal to break down, and you want a little bit of boost of nitrogen when your transplants are just starting off. So that's just a quick tip. Wait until after winter to refresh any of your pots. That way you don't have to get down, dump out your entire pot onto a tarp or a whatever you have, and then you have to add in some new soil, mix it around. Just save your time, the effort, especially if you get hard freezes. Your pots will freeze all the way through, and that is when the roots really help to decompose, because they become softer and the microorganisms are better able to decompose them. So I hope you just take my advice and make it your own, whether you have pots, raised beds, etc. All you have to really do, you don't want to dig up your soil too much, more so in things like raised beds, but in pots it doesn't matter as much. But it's just a couple tips that you can keep in mind. So if you want to see how I built this raised bed for only $25, it's $25 even with 2024's pricing, you definitely need to check out this video now.